Avo Assure allows its users to create test steps and test step groups to automate various applications like web, desktop, mainframe API, and others. Before proceeding, let's learn what a test case is. In Avo Assure, a test case consists of a collection of test step groups, which in turn consists of a set of test steps used to determine the accurate operation of a feature or an application. The conditions set in a test case for execution helps to ensure that the test outcome is accurately evaluated against the desired behavior of an application under test or AUT. The criteria for a test's passing or failing in turn help with troubleshooting and refining the AUT. Let us explore this further. After logging into Avo Assure using your credentials, once you have selected a project, navigate to Design Studio from the homepage or click the Create Test Case button. An important point to note here is, if you choose to click the Create Test Case button, you will see two options: Record with Avo Genius, a smart recorder, or Create with Design Studio. Selecting the first option will navigate to the test case screen and bring up a pop-up requesting application type and its URL details. Make sure to have the Avo Genius extension installed to proceed. Once the details are provided and Start Recording clicked, it will bring up an Avo Genius instance to begin recording the steps users perform to obtain test cases from. In this video, let's focus on the second option, which follows the same path as clicking the Design Studio button on the home page. As you see, there already is an element repository created for Avo Bank. Ensure it is selected and navigate to the Test Case tab. Click the plus icon on the left pane to create a folder. Alternatively, you can also click the Create Folder button on the work pane or hit the Shift+F on your keyboard. Here again, you can create the folders using Avo Genius, the smart recorder, or manually. Remember to name the test case for easy identification and hit Enter. Click the three dots or ellipsis across the folder name. Select Create Test Case from the context menu. You can also hit Shift+T on your keyboard or click the Create Test Case button on the work pane to do the same. Name it per the application page to be tested. Please note, users can create multiple folders and test cases anytime by clicking the plus icon across the test cases folder structure. Next, click the Test Step Group button or hit Shift+T. Once again, you will see the options to use Recorder or proceed manually. Proceeding manually, add a name for the test step group and validate the application type in the pop-up that appears. Once done, click Create. Now that a test step group is created, let's add test steps. You can add them from a repository or manually. For this demo, let's use the repository. Drag and drop captured elements from the repository to the display panel. The test step information is displayed with the step details like names, actions, input, and output values. Do note the options available across each test step that appear when you hover over it. It displays options to add or delete a test step or click the ellipses to provide more details about it after saving it, like descriptions and remarks on its expected result to determine its pass or failure. For user benefit, there are multiple ways to add more test steps. One, like we saw, by hovering over an existing test step in a group and clicking the plus icon that appears on its last column. This will add a step just beneath it. Next, by clicking the plus icon across the test step group's name, which will add a step on top of the list. You can also click the plus icon below the step group. Let's explore this option better. The first two options help you add one or more test steps in the existing group, but the last two options help you create a new test step group. Let's click option 3. Add in a name for the group and choose its application type to create it. Drag and drop elements in it. Please note how you can choose to edit the input and output values as needed. Let's add one more group similarly and save them all. You have now saved your test cases successfully. Interesting to note are the options across each test step group's name. The Make Reusable icon allows users to store the respective test step groups in the reusable library, which can later be reused in different test cases within this project. Users can use the null icon to skip a step when debugging the test step group. Worth mentioning are the icons and buttons across the created test case name. Here are the details of what each one of them do. Well done! You now know how to create test cases and test step groups in Avo Assure. Take each step confidently to make progress with every lesson learned. Reach out to Avo Academy at avoautomation.com for more learning information on Avo. Happy learning!